Hi guys, I'm Abha and this is a DIY tutorial to make an aquatic wall decor item like this one. This is made of MDF board and clay. I used Fevicryl Shilpakar for this, but you can also use an air dry clay. Guys, before we start with this tutorial, I would really like to know what you think about these videos. Do you like the ideas that I put tutorials on? Are they easy enough to follow? Would you like to see something in particular? Please leave your comments, hit that like button, and do not forget to subscribe because amazing new ideas are uploaded every week. So yeah, let us quickly see what all we need to make this aquatic wall decor. So what we need is an MDF board to start with. I am going to use the size 5 into 5 inches for this one. Fevicol, some paints. So here I use Fevicryl Shilpakar, and as I mentioned, you could also use air dry clay instead of this. Cutter or anything sharp or old because you need to cut clay with this. Some paint brushes, and you will need talc so that the clay doesn't stick to your hand. We will start with painting our base first because it will take a minute or two to dry. Until then we can work with our clay. So now while our base dries, let us work with the clay. In this one packet of Fevicryl Shilpakar, you will find two smaller packs. One will be regular clay, which is white in color, and one will be the hardener, which is brownish in color. You have to mix both of these parts together to ensure that you put some talc on your hand and on the base that you're working on. You have to mix these two parts well enough so that at the end your whole clay looks just white and you cannot see the brown. So just to keep an estimate on how much clay we are using, let us divide our whole clay into three parts. Now we will use two of these to make the body of the jellyfish and the remaining one we will use to make its legs. Mix these two parts and turn it into a pebble-like shape. You could also do this curvy pattern in the bottom if you'd like. Let us cut the remaining part in 5. These 5 pieces I will use to make the legs of the jellyfish, and I will paint a few more later. So this clay spreads out a lot, and if you're using a 5 into 5 board too, you will need very little clay to make the legs. We will just roll these small balls into long snakes and then place them like jellyfish legs, curve them at the bottom. Now we have to stick the whole of this clay part onto the board. Make sure the paint is dry. Just put some Fevicol and place the parts neatly on the board. It will stick tight on it in no time. Use a sharpened pencil or a toothpick or a needle to make any details that you want on your jellyfish. Now our jellyfish is ready to prime with white paint. We do this because the clay absorbs a little paint at first, and if we color it directly, the colors will turn dull. Well, yeah, I messed up too. And an entirely different jellyfish here. I'm so sorry guys, I went overboard crazy with the paint, like always. So I painted all of it, did a bit details, and that's how my final thing looks. You could use different patterns, make three and put it, in a line in your room, or take a longer board and make three on the same board. Watch other videos on the channel, tell me how you like them in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe because I'm uploading every week.